Hello guys, welcome to House Plant Market. Today I'm going to be explaining how you can walk through the home page through your with your mobile phone. So if you're browsing the House Plant Market with your mobile phone, the first thing you notice is a pop-up inviting you to join the House Plant community. If you feel like getting mails from House Plant concerning current house plant design, you can easily add your email address on the box below and your name, and sign in for it. If not, all you need to do is to click out. You cancel it from this end back to the home page. At the home page area, you can scroll down using your cursor, okay, or you flip through by checking through all the house designs below. Another area or great way you can easily access the site is by using the red icon by your left hand side. Okay, once you click this, it's going to take you to house plan styles. This is where you have different styles of house plan. Okay, the next is the sizes of house plan. For example, if you need a one bedroom, duplex, two bedroom, three bedroom, then you can click on this to see all other sizes. Okay, if you click on this, you're going to see all other sizes, and those sizes, from those sizes you can equally make choice within those sizes you've seen. For example, if you are looking for a three bedroom bungalow, now this is for one bedroom, so all sizes regarding one bedroom bungalow will be found on this particular point, and the next one is for a two bedroom bungalow, and this for a three bedroom bungalow. So if you need a three bedroom bungalow, all you need to do is to click on this image here, and it's going to take you to the three bedroom house design concept page. All right, so if that's not what you are looking for, you can choose other sizes of house plan. But once you are done, or once you are not okay with what you are seeing, if you want to easily go back to the home page, all you need to do is to click on the building plan logo. All right, so once you are at the home page, you can scroll right, side, front and back. Okay, another great feature is the keyword area. Once you are familiar with the site, you can easily type the plan number. If you have the plan number ID, once you type it here, it's going to take you straight to that particular house design, and you can choose the plan style just like I've explained from here, the location and all the rest. This, but after that you can click on the search. So the first thing you're going to be seeing as you're scrolling down is the house plan collection. This area, you have the modern house design concept. You can click on this to visit our collection of modern house design concept. The next image is the bungalow house design concept. Okay, you click on it and it takes you straight to bungalow house design concept. And if you the next thing takes you to the place, and this other one takes you to the church house design concept, and this area you can visit our contemporary house design concept. So after you finish all this one, you start seeing recent house design. Okay, if you want to give us the review of the house plan you purchased previously, or you want to discuss one or two things about what you find interesting about our house plan products or services, you can easily give us a review from this section here. Okay, and these are every house plan that you have viewed, you see it here on the recently viewed house plan. Alright, so this how you scroll down to the end, and it's as simple as, it's not as difficult as you think. Okay, once you are at the bottom, once you are at the bottom of the house plan, the next thing you start considering is if you find anyone interesting. Like I said before, if you find anyone interesting, all you need to do is to click on the image, or you click on the text below the image. This area is the amount or the cost of that particular house plan design if you are purchasing the PDF document. Okay, if you are purchasing other house plan set, you have other costs for it, but you can't find those costs here until you click on this to go to this particular single page house plan before you see other details, cost and the review concerning this particular house plan. Okay, for this particular walkthrough today, I'm just going to be taking you how you can walk through the home page alone. So after this, I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase your house plan. So please follow me as we walk through this place to the end. So once you get to the end of the page, you have our articles here. Once you get to the end of the page, if you want to go back to the first point, all you need to do is to click on this arrow here, and it's going to take you back to the top. All right. Now this point, this is the arrow I'm talking about, the black arrow. If you find anything and you want to chat with us, you can click on the WhatsApp button to communicate with us directly. If not, you just cancel it. Okay, and the next thing you like to do, if you want to go back to the top, just go back using this arrow here. Before going back to the top, there are some useful informations here that you want to check or you want to work on. You are free to work on it. Okay, so let's go back to the top, and I'm going to click this straight and back to the top. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope this will help the the platform easier for you, especially when you are using your mobile device. Okay, for those of us that are using the desktop or laptop, I'm still going to do another one that will enable you to use your desktop properly if you are using the desktop. See you next time.